In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make money from Google, and this is going to be an easy and at the same time a difficult method for making money online. And trust me, on this one you can make upwards of $1,500 to $2,000 per project, and all you need to do is to search the web. You can use Google or any other search engine, it really doesn't matter. The results are still the same, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. I'm going to show you the entire process of making up to $1,500 to $2,000 searching on Google. I also noticed that only a small percentage of you guys who watch my videos are subscribed to my channel. So if you end up getting some value from this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It is free and you can always change your mind later. Clicking the bell icon ensures that you are the first to be notified anytime I drop a new video on a fresh strategy to make money online. This will ensure that you are the first to try it out and you are the first to make money. And yes, this method is available worldwide. It doesn't matter your country. No matter where you are, you can definitely implement this strategy. Now, this method is going to comprise of a number of steps. The first step is to visit the website. The second step is to sign up. The third step is to find projects suitable for you. And then the last step is to execute your projects and submit. Before I get into the steps in this video, be sure to drop a like on the video if you absolutely love making money online. Tap the like button until it turns blue. Let's see if we can get this video to 100 likes. I also have a special bonus for you at the end of the video, which is an extra tip you can use to maximize your earnings with this strategy. So be sure to watch this video all the way to the end so I do not miss any steps. With that said, let's get started. So the website we're using for this strategy is called MindSumo. Now this MindSumo is a website and it has a lot of big partners. They partner with Pepsi, Nestle, Delta, Sony, Shell, Li, and a lot of big companies partner with MindSumo. Now what those companies do is that they come over to this website and they have problems or questions that they do not have time to tackle themselves. So they bring those questions to this website and then give regular people like you and I opportunities to answer those questions, and then we can win unbelievable cash gifts from this company. In fact, that's not all. Sometimes these companies hire the people that provide the questions as interns, sometimes as full-time employees. I have seen situations where someone provided a really insightful answer and that earned him an interview with the company, and then he was hired full-time. Other times, you just get your cash gifts. So like you can see this task here, it says female solvers, join our community of VIP consumers to share your personal care product experiences and insights. So all you need to do for this task is to share your personal care product experiences and insights, and that's all. So I'm guessing this is a kind of cosmetic company that wants to know what user experiences are with cosmetic products, and then with that information, they can now make their own products better. So after sharing your insight with this company, you earn $160. And as you can see, this project is still very much open. This second one says, how can companies promote diversity and inclusion? Which ones are the best at it? And if you provide an answer, you get $1,600, guys. $1,600. And this offer is closing in 5 days. Check out this third one. Help improve the experience of getting a vehicle service. And this one has 3 days left and is worth $1,600. So you can see the next one, $800, $800, $800. Look at this one, is under reviewing, meaning that people have submitted their answers already and those answers are under review. So people are rushing this website. This website is changing people's lives. Just answer one question, and if your answer is selected by the company, the minimum you can make is the cash gift. Aside the cash gift, sometimes you can get a full-time job. Now, these ones you see completed here are the ones that the questions have been done and dusted and you cannot submit an answer to this project any longer. So this question is, what is the next evolution of e-commerce? So just provide an answer, insightful. There is no right answer, there is no wrong answer. If your answer resonates with the company and they feel that yes, you're correct, they will pick your answer, and then the least they will do is to give you $800. And this was done 42 days ago. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably have an inclination to either business, engineering, computer science, food science, maths and science, or humanities. I, like I've said in my previous videos, am a civil engineer by profession. So I'm going to go with engineering. But you can go with any of the categories. You can go with something that you're a little bit more closer to, or something you studied in the university, or something you are just knowledgeable about in general. So these are the engineering project. I clicked this, and then you can now see all the engineering projects. These ones are $400, $800, $1,600. How can we capture carbon and make use of emissions? So that is a general rundown of the website. This is what the website is. These projects are legit. And as I told you before, people are really rushing these projects. You are seeing this one completed. So people are really rushing this. So I'm really going to have to take some time to load more and really search for the ones that are really available at this point in time. So people are really rushing this website. People are really making money from this website. So what do? The first thing you need to do is to sign up. So when you click the sign up button, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to request your email and password. But this is if you are signing in. You just have to click this I don't have an account yet. And when you click this I don't have an account yet, it's going to bring you to this page where you fill in your first name, your last name, your location, your email address, and your password. It's also going to request for your date of birth, your gender, and it's going to ask you to rate yourself in a couple of metrics: creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. It's always good to rate yourself above average proficiency. Of course, if you rate yourself with low proficiency or no proficiency at all, they probably won't take your answers very seriously. So you just need to rate yourself a little bit above average. Then they'll ask you why you're interested in using MindSumo and a lot of other answers. Just provide the answers there, click You're Not a Robot, and then sign up. So after you signed up, you're going to be logged into MindSumo. And once you are inside MindSumo, then you're going to find the project that you have interest in and then click it. So once you click a project, it's going to bring you to a page like this one. So as I can see, this one is done 17 months ago and 110 submissions, guys. 110 submissions. So a lot of people are using this website. Now that brings us to the part of the video which is actually by far the most important, and that is how to get your answers. Now think about this. Every single question that you can ask in this world, you can type into Google and you will get answers that are accurate. Hell, you will get research papers if that's what you want. Okay, so what you want to do is to copy this question. What is your Clever Textile application for an infrared absorbing fiber? I know it sounds difficult, but all you need to do is to copy it, go to Google and paste it. So once you've pasted it, you're going to see answers from people. Like this is a PDF document. This is from a website. This is from a website. So you can read 3 to 4 very good quality articles on that question. And then you have a very good idea what those articles are saying. And then you craft an answer. You can even add references if you want to. And once you have done that, all you need to do is to go and submit it on the website. I remember one question I was asking where e-commerce is going. I don't think I'll be able to locate it any longer. But let's work with that question. Let's say, where is e-commerce going, for instance? So look at these 5 trends of the future in e-commerce. And this is from Shopify website itself. Okay, so this is an answer that has a lot of credibility. And then this another one, the future of e-commerce, how e-commerce will change. 14 e-commerce trends in 2021. So people have already researched these extensively and they have provided answers that you can access on Google. So all you need to do is just to head over to Google, read those answers, put it into your own words and submit it on MindSumo. If you do it for 5, 6, 7 projects, I can almost guarantee you're going to find one of these results on your labs. Now with this $1,600, you can do a lot with it. You can start your own blog. You can fund your own YouTube channel if that's what you want to do. So this website is working, guys. It's working for people. If you got some value from this video, please leave me a thumbs up. If you didn't get any value, please leave me a thumbs down. Let me know what you didn't like about the video so I can improve on it. And then let me know the kind of make money online videos you guys want to see in the future so I can make videos that are tailored to what you guys want. Like I said earlier, there are 2 kinds of ways to make money online. There are the easy ones that earn you little money, and then there are the difficult ones that earn you so much money. Let me know the kind of ones you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.